Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically move text and animate them in CapCut PC. There are a few ways to do that. I'm just going to select this, for instance, as the video, and I'm just going to select text, and I'm just going to type in, for instance, the word clouds. And I'm going to select a font here as well. And to animate them, you can select this keyframe here in position and size. So add a keyframe here, and then you can move it here. You can move it here. There's also another way to animate text. So okay, as you can see, it does move. You can just right click, create compound clip, and you can go to animation and add in animations from here. Well, there's also one where you don't have to create compound clip. Like that. There's also one where you can actually just add in an animation from the text here as well. But that is pretty much it, really super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!